Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Nissan Murano 2016. Okay, the engine computer the transmission was replaced again. We are using our Console 3 Plus. Let me see if I can get something here, what we can do. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Try to communicate with the Console 3 Plus. This is my Console 3 Plus. Please subscribe, share and like. And here is so green, communication established. And engine computer, transmission. We have a transmission control module being replaced. And the Judder code will be there. So what we are going to do is to rewrite the Judder code, to rewrite the software, clear that one. I believe I have them in my system. This is what we have. Let me see if I have the software here. Nissan Infinity CD file. I have this X5, and I don't have a lot. Let me see this 29 X5. This is empty. But guess what? I have one in my system, my pocket. Let me bring it. 2016 Nissan Murano. Those are the file. Murano or Rock 2015, 2016, the same. So I'm gonna close this one here. I'm gonna close this. I will go open my software, and here I will go to work support. By the way, you cannot erase this code. Let me show you. Okay. Ignition on. I will try to clear this code. Erase it. Execute. So nothing, never go away. So I gotta go to work support. Replacement. Start. He asked me to put the characteristic. I gotta go here. The Nissan Rock. Gonna open one. That's the one. Say next. Now I have to do this. Gonna push the brake. Gas pedal. All of them must be all the way to the end. And this one.
Speed trap reported ahead.
Recording started.
It must be reverse. Look at reverse here. Start. Now it's done. Put this back. Remove your feet slowly. Turn the key off. Weight 0. Now right. Click next. Now right. Complete. Successful. And
Recording started.
And let's go to the self-diagnose. Change to yellow. Clean. Execute. Close.
Speed trap reported ahead.
Now let me start it.
Recording
Everything
started.
beautiful. We are good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.